ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఆర్బిట్రేషన్ అండ్ మీడియేషన్ సెంటర్ సదస్సులో సీఎం కేసీఆర్ పాల్గొన్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
We have been able to create a 25,000 square feet facility to start the center without any delay. At the same time, we have decided to provide a suitable land parcel that is in Puppalaguda, just now selected by Honorable Chief Justice of India, very close to the part of the financial district of Hyderabad, for a permanent building for the center. I am confident that under the personal stewardship of respected Chief Justice of India, Sri N.V. Ramana Garu, ably assisted by our trustees like Honorable Justice Sri Nageshwara Rao Garu and Honorable Justice R.P. Ravindran Garu, the center will receive huge patronage, not just from our state and the whole country, but also from the entire Asia, thereby making it stand out as a premier institution of global repute. I am happy that the formal inauguration of the center is taking place in another fortnight's time. I convey my best wishes for the tremendous success of this center. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana.
Thank you very much, sir, for the contribution of yourself and the entire government in making the dream of Honorable Chief Justice of India a reality. It is my pleasant duty to now invite Honorable Justice Sri L. Nageshwara Rao Garu to deliver his presidential address.
Justice N.V. Ramana, Chief Justice of India. Justice Satish Chandra Sharma, Chief Justice Telangana High Court. Shri Chandrasekhar Rao, Chief Minister of Telangana. Shri Indrakaran Reddy, Minister for Law. My colleagues from the Supreme Court, Mr. Subhash Reddy, Justice Subhash Reddy, who will join us soon, and Justice Hima Kohli, and Justice Narasimha. Justice Kurian Joseph, former judge of the Supreme Court. Mr. Prashant Mishra, Chief Justice of the Andhra Pradesh High Court. Judges of the Telangana High Court and Andhra Pradesh High Court, Mr. K.T. Ramarao and his cabinet colleagues, members of the Governing Council, representatives of the industry and business from Hyderabad and other places, the press, and all others present here. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I should tell you that this center is a brainchild of the Chief Justice of India. Immediately after taking over as Chief Justice, we had a discussion and he told me that there was this concept of starting a center about 20 years back, and even land was allotted by the then government. But the center could not materialize. So we discussed about the center and the usefulness of this center and how it would cater to those who are seeking to resolve the disputes by arbitration. Without the cooperation of the government of Telangana, we could not have achieved the progress which we have achieved so far. And with the active assistance of Mr. K.T. Ramarao and the Law Minister, we have made significant progress even before the inauguration takes place on 18th of December. Justice Ravindran, who's a life trustee, has been an inspiration. I have been working with him closely for the past 4 months, and he's so punctilious. And with the able guidance of Justice Ravindran, the members of the Governing Council have framed the rules of the trust as well as the arbitration and mediation center. We have accomplished people from the field of arbitration in the Governing Council. Sir Bernard Eder is an international arbitrator and mediator who has 35 years of experience in commercial litigation and international arbitration. He is a member of the Governing Council. Mr. Toby Landau is a barrister and an advocate and a member of the bars of England and Wales, Singapore, New York, and he is also an experienced arbitrator who has consented to be a member of the Governing Council. We have Dr. Young Park, who is the Vice President of the London Court of International Arbitration and a member of the Singapore International Arbitration Center, who is also a member of a Governing Council member. Mr. Chitra Narayan, who is a renowned arbitrator, has consented to be in the Governing Council.